Stuttgart Airport. Even if the adventure started at the check-in counter, we still made it onto the plane. As soon as the wheels left contact with the ground, we also left everyday life far behind us. And ahead was only freedom and adventure. Many kilometers on the Camino. Everything you have, everything you need. From now on, you carry on your back, no more and no less. We crossed the strange city with its buildings, only quickly and of our unnecessity. And on until Piélagos, the first place to stop for the night.
¿Cómo te gusta, eh?
¿Cómo te gusta?
From now on, the journey continues by foot. Many kilometers. The shell is a silent companion, always with us. And if you get tired, take a break. And if you are still tired, just keep walking. Just keep walking. The farther you go, the farther you walk, the heavier your feet get with the day, the easier it is to just let go. No questioning, no need to take a decision. Best not even to think. Just keep walking, straight ahead. And when you come to the end of the road, a new one opens up. A new blend, a new path. A new town, a new piece of land. And what comes after that? Who knows? We will see. The whole day lies ahead. Like the Camino. And maybe that's what it is all about. Just keep walking. Just keep moving. This is the Camino. Nothing more.